Oh, I can't fucking have it now, can I, Yank?
Can't be calling her a Yank, mate.
Oh, fuck off! You speak with a British accent?
You didn't stop it.
Fuck this. I need to stop it. I blocked it.
Oh my god, your hair looks like Wolverine.
Right. I'm back off to England, mate.
Off to England,
You sound
right?
like Captain Jack Sparrow.
Oh, fuck off!
Who's
That ain't Captain Jack. Captain Jack. Like jumping there. And that ain't no jump. Look at that. Look at that big ass link filth hole right there. He's more of a cunt than a Jack.
I am.
You a cunt indeed.
Oh, no, cunt.
Yeah, bigger cunt.
Oh, fuck you.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Stupid
Hey,
beer guzzling
fucking always
fuck.
want down when things fucking just.
And what? Back at home, I won't get this kind of treatment. Back at home, I'll be getting my balls licked. Fuck you looking at. Fucking Yank.
You bitch.
Hey.
Be calling her a fucking Yank.
Fuck off, cunt.
Oh shit.
Trying to make people sound like we're from fucking the UK.
But this bitch ain't from the fucking UK.
But she's got the fucking accent. You just.
She ain't got no fucking
You just
accent.
still got it.
I'm from fucking New York. No, I'm just...
So I'm talking about, mate. You fucking Yanks.
She's not a fucking Yank.
What the fuck are you now?
What's your favourite spot?
Where's my what?
Favourite fucking spot?
My favourite spot?
Yeah, your favourite spot.
For the love of fucking God, don't.
Football,
Suck.
American baseball. What is it? What's your favourite fucking...
Hockey.
And you fucking tell me she ain't no fucking Yank? Hockey. Hockey's hockey.
What the fuck is hockey?
You asshole.
Spit on fucking Yanks and hockey.
What the fuck was that? Jesus.
Festival.
That was disgusting.
There's no fucking bloody Yank in the fucking house. What the fuck is wrong with you, man?
Well, fuck her. Might as well be a fucking Yank. She likes hockey. Fucking hockey.
What the fuck she
What's hockey?
bringing a fucking Yank in the goddamn house?
Why are you in my fucking house?
Father finds out, he's gonna
paid
fuck
me.
you up. Well, that's the truth. He's gonna give you a
What's
fucking
your
ass whooping,
favourite
that's for
fucking
sure.
sport?
That's for sure.
Drinking.
No, that's not a sport. That's a hobby. We all love to fucking drink. Oh, but what the fuck are you drinking? Tell you fucking telling me she's not a Yank? Good old fucking German beer compared to her fucking Yank pussy. Fucking. I'll fucking quote you. That bitch is a fucking Yank. Pause it, fucking. Yank hard.
Just stop.
Fuck off.
Well, that's interesting.
What's that, eh?
Well, that's interesting.
What's fucking interesting?
I think that she's a fucking Yank and you brought a goddamn Yank in the house.
I ain't got no proof I brought this
Wait a
bitch in there.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. He paid me.
You paid a fucking Yank to come in the goddamn house.
Of course I did. For two reasons. One, fucking make fire. And two, you gonna fucking love this. Why here?
Fucking
I think I can appear at my nose.
bring a fucking Yank in the house.
Oh fuck. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me.
Yeah, I hear what he's getting. I hear what the fucking man
It's
is.
fucking Wiley. This what fucking Yankee? The fucking skanky and those shoes get paid to get bullied. But now fucking
Oh,
you.
motherfucker, you're not
Go
killing me.
blast you in the fucking head.
I'll kill you.
I'm National TV. Oh, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah.
You
Shut up.
You fucking me. You bloody fuck.
Shut the fuck up, Yank. Shut the fuck up, Yank. Fuck up, I'll fucking blast. So I'm fucking out blast it. You shut your fucking Polish mouth, you fucking Yank. Shut it. I'm fucking there. Shut it. I'm gonna do it. merman? Who the fuck's the merman? You fucking tell me. I'm the merman. Shut up.
I'm bleeding.
Okay. So.
Motherfucker.
Fuck you doing? Fuck you doing? Fuck you. I'll say it. Say that. I fucking sound like a yank. Oh fuck.
Where's my fucking money? Oh, I got no money.
Yank's dead.
The fuck you doing?
I lost it, man. I fucking lost it. I pissed it all away. Oh, we missed a big climax.
Oh, jeez.
Tell me I did not just shoot myself and I missed it. Where are you, fucking yank? Can I do that again?
Maybe.
Can I do it again? We missed it. Oh, sorry.
You're sorry.
I never you say it again. I shoot you. And now you gotta tell me what the fuck's wrong with me. Say! I said say. Fuck's the matter with you? Can't fucking do the script right. No, say. I'm a blaster, and you say.
You know,
You really fucking killed me with the fuck.
the fuck you doing?
Then people don't talk time.